afternoon, Shreya. Good afternoon, Chetsi, Arnav, Harsh, Prabhat, Durgesh, Gaurav, Sanmay, Arya, and Manasvi. Good afternoon, everyone. So, first of all, you all did good in online test too, and on WhatsApp I have uploaded the solutions of the online test too. So go through the solutions. You have your answer sheet. So correct your mistakes. Okay, we have to practice them also because now again the previous content will come. So we have started a new concept. Fine. Where if we are using the scale and if I want to measure the length of this chalk. Fine. So good afternoon everybody, and let me measure the length of this chalk. And it is coming 4 centimeter 1 millimeter. Now I have measured a chalk in front of you all, so whose length is 4 centimeter 1 millimeter. If I want to convert it into centimeter only, fine. Thank you, Sanmay. And it is already centimeter. Now we have seen that 1 centimeter, when we start from 0 and 1, 1 centimeter is having how much millimeter? The first question to all of you, 1 centimeter, how much millimeter? 10 millimeter. Yes. Good, Durgesh. So there are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then there is a middle one which is a little bit larger. 5th. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9. And the 10th itself is 1. 10th itself is 1. So we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Yes. We want to talk about 1 millimeter. So when we see 1 millimeter, this is what fraction? अगर केवल इस 1 की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, yes, 1 mm. So this is what fraction of a centimeter? There are 10, and this is 1. So how we can write it in fraction? It is what part of total? There are total 10 parts. The first part, 1 part, is 1 by 10. Yes, Amikesh, good. So, dear students, 1 millimeter, we all very good with fractions. There are 10 parts. If you want to talk about the first part, this is 1 by 10. Suppose if I have some rectangular square pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fine, 5. Then I have 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, there are 10 pieces I have in my hand. So out of this 10, if I am holding the 1 only, then I know it is 1 by 10. So 1 millimeter is 1 by 10 centimeters. This 1 by 10, what we are calling it into decimal? 0.1. Yes, we are calling it 0.1. So what are decimals? Can anybody tell me? We are studying it for 2 weeks now. The definition of decimals. What are decimals? Decimals क्या होते हैं? What is a decimal? Decimal fraction is a fraction with denominators. हमारे जो डिनोमिनेटर्स हैं वो क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? A fraction, a decimal fraction is a fraction with denominator. What are the denominators possible? Tell me. Denominators may be either 10, okay? Let you all be very clear. This is a cube I have, yes? This is a cube. Now, here in this cube, now only we have seen the 10 parts. है ना? अभी अभी हमने देखे थे 10 parts. जैसे कि हम इस cube को now we can divide this cube into 10 equal parts. So what was the first denominator? With the denominator 10. सबसे पहले तो denominator क्या हो सकता है हमारा? 10. जैसे यहाँ पे हो गया. Fine. Then, if this 10, this is the 10th part. Now this again I am dividing into small pieces like this one. So I will get the denominator 100. Or if I will divide this into more smaller parts like this one. This is a smaller tiny cube in my hand. This is of this box. This one is 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. This is the 1000th part. So the denominators may be 10, 100 or 1000. This is the definition of decimals. If anybody asks you what is decimal, so we can say that a decimal fraction is a fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000. Fine. So please note down it. Note down the definition of decimals. Yes, those who are getting blur image, they can improve the pixel quality. 1 by 10 is how much in decimal we are telling? 0.1. We must put down it. A decimal fraction is a fraction with denominator 10, 100 or 1000. Array, what by? Sunday, there is so much time now. So we got 1 by 10 is 0.1. So we have 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 by 10. So dear students, 4 centimeter and 1 millimeter. So instead of 1 millimeter, what we can write? 0.1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is 0.1. 4 plus 0.1 is 4.1 centimeter. Okay, this is 4.0. So 4 centimeter, 1 millimeter is 4.1 centimeter. Now all of you note it down this one also. 1 millimeter is 1 by 10 centimeter. The denominator are 10, 100 and 1000. Can we take some examples of decimals? Yes. Let us measure some of the length. Suppose I have a triangle. Fine. Let us measure the length of this triangle. How much centimeter? And how much millimeter? Okay, this is exactly 23 centimeter. So I am asking you all, 23 centimeter is an example of decimal or not? 23 centimeter is a decimal number or not? Is it a decimal fraction or a decimal number? Say yes or no. Comment in your comment box. Yes or no. What are you telling? Gaurav is telling no. 23 is not a decimal number. Then 2.3. No Arya, no 2.3. It is only 23. I am asking 23 is a decimal number or not. Commenting yes or no. Sanmay is telling yes, it is a comment. Bhargav is telling no. Arnav no. Gaurav no. Shan is telling no. Arya is still. Arya, this is 23 centimeter. Okay. Now it can be a decimal. How? We can write it 23.0. Fine. But we can write it 23.0. Like 4 centimeter को हमने कैसा लिखा? 4.0. So 23 centimeter we can write it 23.0. Now this 23 is the integral part. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Integral part, and this is our decimal part. Okay, integral part and decimal part. So like here 23 is the integral part, the whole part. Means 23 हमारे पास पूरे हैं, है ना? जैसे 4 हमारे पास कंप्लीट थे, but the fifth one was in point 4.19. Same way, now integral means the whole part and decimal part. Okay. One more chalk I have taken now, just for to measure the length. This is the length of my chalk, 7 centimeter and 9 millimeter. Can you please tell in centimeter? 7 centimeter is 7.0 plus 9 millimeter is how much centimeter? 9 millimeter is 9 by 10 centimeter. If you are facing any problem, then you can watch it later also. Fine. 7.0, 0.9. Seven point zero plus 0.9. So how much it is? What is the total sum? यहाँ पे अच्छा है, हम एडिशन भी सीख पा रहे हैं. 7.9. Yes, very good. Seven point nine. So we got it now. How we can convert centimeters into centimeter and millimeter into centimeter. This thing I told you all. Then you can take some objects from your home. Okay, like I have taken chalk, triangle, cutout. So you can also take some things around you, जो भी अभी आपके आसपास होगा, उसमें से कुछ चीजें ले, take some things and measure on your scale, and write in centimeter, millimeter, and then finally convert it into centimeter. So this you all are going to do today, and you will share with me and your friends what the things you have measured. There may be some interesting things. Okay, everyone will see some different things to measure. Yes. So let's see today how many of you will do it and share with me and your friends. 7.9. Yes, it is 7.9 centimeter. So question number 1 was telling us about the integral part and the decimal part. And then one more thing we have seen, 7.9. If we have to write it in words, how we write? Like now we shine return 7.9. Say it in words. In words. How much? Very good, sir. You measure these things and share with us what the lengths you got. 7.9. This second one, what we can write? Is 5.3. What is this? There I can see only 15 students. So I request all of you to talk to your friends. 12.4. You can write it 12 point. No, for tomorrow, Gaurav. I am telling for tomorrow onwards. For tomorrow onwards class. Shine, just wait and do this question. Answer me. 40.5. How you will write it? $40.5. Many of you in your exams, I have cut your marks because they have written FOURTY. This is 40. 40.5. You will not come check C. FORTY it is. Okay, it's 40.5. Fine. So now, after writing in this way, can you all just convert it into fractions first? 7.9, how much in fraction? Wait a minute, we have 2 minutes more, look here. 7.9. In fractions, I am asking in fractions. फ्रैक्शन में हम क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको 7/79/10 क्या लिखेंगे हम इसको 79/10 नॉट 7/9 7.9 पॉइंट के बाद कौन सा प्लेस है हमारे पास वी हैव 10th प्लेस सो राइट इट 79/10 no we'll write 79/10 okay 79/10 प्रभात शर्मा how 40/5 53/10 Sanjay very good next one Sanjay says so I'm asking is it the lowest form here what will be the lowest form lowest form क्या होगा इसका 53/10 आएगा गौरव 53/10 124/10 405/10 so thank you very much so we will continue it tomorrow and you may inform your friends thank you yes 79/10 is only the lowest form okay thank you all